on this little pond here. We're actually going to be doing a remodel. We're going to be enlarging it, and we're going to be popping out part of the wall to put a waterfall in there. Here's the pond. That spot right there in the wall is going to come out. We're going to move this skimmer up here to this end and put the biofalls up top. Okay, we're getting ready to chop out some wall here so we can have a waterfall coming through that. We've got our pond pretty much shaped and formed here with the skimmer back under the trees. Waterfall is going to come right in that wall right there. We just turned it on, got it going, complete different yard. There's the waterfall, not finished. Now it's leak test time. We've got a little bit of work to do up top. Nice big sitting boulder to hang out and feed the fish. Skimmer down at that end. About twice the size, twice the depth, and the waterfall up top. Okay, here we are finished up. Let's see, do you want to be on the video? Okay, we've got this finished pond here. We enlarged with the waterfall. Here's the author, Nancy Stanley. Yeah, what do you think? Love it. Love it. We're going to get a close-up of the waterfall. Here we go. Can't wait.
Take one of my fish out.